So congratulations to Rivers Governor Sim Fubara for officially defecting to the mandate upon which they go collapse. As it be for Rivers State now, Governor APC, Wike say still the PDP. Assembly members, some APC, some PDP. The entire state in a state of political Lori Buruku. Governor said they run go meet Tinubu to give him full support because now he save and protect him from being called former governor today. Meaning elected president save elected governor from removal and being called former governor. Shame don't chatter boss for water lines. They pass Choba, they go Pobonkoro. But that no be my focus for today because the last concerning Rivers State, they never hear and Tori go still come out. My message and focus is to Nigerian people. Make una no panic because now waiting this government APC they want. Make Nigerians continue to react to everything without a strategy. Meanwhile, people where they plan to rig election 2027, they don't conclude their strategy. They try to create a fake and imaginary victory before the election go come to make Nigerians feel helpless and hopeless. So the thing we go make they go rig election 2027, not be because they were too powerful or too popular. Now because Nigerians on our own, we don't already give up on the election. We don't make up our mind, say it cannot be free and fair. So people no go get the zeal and motivation to come out to vote and defend their vote. Then they can rig and do their malpractices. If you look at the game plan, they don't already almost complete them. With defection of Fubara now, all South governors, they APC. If you go Southwest, Ole Oyoshe, Makinde, and Adeleke Oshunwe never go APC. For Southeast, Ole Anambra and Abia. And you know, say Anambra is stand on K-leg, either they wear leggings. If you go North Central, Ole Plateau Governor Mufwang, and him say he dey under pressure to move. If you go to the Northeast, Ole Bauchi, Bala Mohammed, Adamawa, Fintiri, and Taraba Agbu Kefas. Remember, say Fintiri and Wike that they wear Ashwebi. If you go to the Northwest, Ole Kanu, NMPP, and then Zamfara, Dauda Lawal, PDP. Him, if it no even fit defect because person will come out for office, Bello Matawale, and still Minister for State Defense. Then when you reach FCT, Emperor Wike is on standby to implement the action plan. So it is almost full circle. What is the game plan for Nigerians? What we must understand, they say the mistake that should not have been made was 2015. Buhari was that mistake. To vote in the calamity called Buhari, to correct that mistake, it go take planning, it go take strategy and massive mobilization. Can it happen? Yes, it can happen. For APC, waiting with the plan, it is simple. Since you know say the people are not with you, you are an unpopular government because APC, they panic mode. Forget all waiting that they do so. Since you cannot buy all the people, ask yourself the question, waiting be the thing where everybody they defect, waiting they pursue them. Why are they running? It is simple. Even Senator Seraki Dixon don't talk am. Make INEC right result for you. You control judiciary, you control law enforcement. So if federal do for me, I go do for them. Now the paddy be that where you know fit win, you fit get the percentage to go. Waiting that they use or that they bank on is not federal might, it is called federal fraud. So what is the game plan? Since you cannot buy all the people because at the talk am and APC they no like make at the talk am, but now Riburuku they do. If there is free and fair election in Nigeria today, before election end, before 1 o'clock on election day, Tinubu and his gang of political bandits will be chased out of all government houses. They are very unpopular, they know. Their only confidence and hope is in a compromise INEC, a compromised judiciary and law enforcement. And since you cannot capture all the people, capture the power brokers, hold all the heads of institutions, people who fit control the so-called criminal structures. So the governors go do the groundwork to ensure that you suppress the will of the people as much as you can. So it is not freeway for the people. So whenever they head, they know say those ones will get the might to stabilize and to hold down everything. They do with us, it is easier. Remember what happened for Rivers State and how the election result been go. Imagine if a state where they say the governor they opposition and if everybody say they want to vote against, it go be freeway. Nobody can use any might to suppress anything. So it is simple. The more people are with us, the more it is easier to suppress and know how we can navigate and ensure that the will of the people are suppressed. For example, they know they talk about youth or young people even when majority of the voters are young people because you know they're necessary. For you, you cannot buy all the youth. Just buy the youth leadership, buy NANS, buy these people. If you want to buy all religious organization, you fit no fit buy all Christians, buy the Christian leadership, maybe CAN, maybe PFN, maybe Islamic leadership. Once all of them and leaders cannot agree with their people on a common position, it is easier to divide them. You infiltrate them and then you know that you can suppress some parts. Some go this way, some go this way, you scatter them. It is up to Nigerians. The question is, can election be free and fair? Yes. Can you people mobilize? Can we make 2027 about the people's opposition? Of course, it can happen. Best people will go there motivated to come out to vote, protect their votes and to defend it. because the power of the people must be greater than the criminals in power. It is up to Nigerians to decide. Everything where you see me, they shout every day, is to call attention, make Nigerians know, say, if you do not wake up and fix government and reform your system, nothing go work and nothing go change. Anybody where they talk for Nigeria, when no they plan towards 2027, you are wasting time, because people where they enslave and oppress Nigerians, they are planning to come back. It is either you wake up and strategize, opposition, all this one where they go here, they go here. Nigerians must mobilize massively to know that APC is an affliction. Na cause, it is a plague. Only Nigerians can deliver themselves. Is it possible? It is 100% possible. Now them go later go court finally. Once the will of the people and the majority say enough, it will be enough. So make the defection no panic you. It should rather quicken everybody to come out, mobilize and get out to vote. They cannot read through millions of a determined people. All this one, now they smell. If it didn't, it didn't. The people are not with you. God is not with you. The people reject you. The gods reject you. APC on their mandate, they shall collapse. Nigerians, gather. Wake up, use your courage and wisdom to save yourself. My name is Peter for Nigeria. Congratulations, Simfubara and the other politicians. On una mandate, una go collapse.
Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to the cause and to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. We bring you bold, unfiltered updates on the internal and external forces confronting our people, exposing the oppression and injustice within the so-called Zoological Republic of Nigeria.